You're not looking for the engine, are you? If you want to know where the engine's at, we got to go back here. Like, all the way back here. Here's where the engine's at. Hey guys, Darren with Dry Fork Diesel in Carthage, Missouri. We got a Kenworth coming to the shop today. As you can see, we fit the whole thing in the shop. It's in for coolant leak and a couple DOT inspections on the truck and the trailer. Obviously, if you have coolant leaks or DOT inspections you need, we're your guys, including suspension, alignments. Not only do people know we do alignments, engine repair, transmission repair, differentials, AC, you name it. We have probably worked on heavy truck. We've been in the space for quite a while, and I would consider ourselves the experts in the industry. If you've got a heavy truck and you need some repairs done, whether you've got 1 or 100, we're your guys. We even have mobile trucks if you need us. We'll come out to your job site, to your lot, and we'll get you taken care of. Give us a call or stop by. See you soon.